Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt. Welcome to the new Brit workshop. This is my brand new tracksaw cutting station. It has not been used. There's no kerf line there at all. And so I'm going to christen it by doing a 4-cut test. Now I accept that some people prefer to call this a 5-cut test. I don't mind. Along here is my known good edge. And that's where the 5th cut would come in. If you didn't have a known good edge, you'd cut that first. And I've put the number 4 there. We'll come to that in a second. I'm going to put this against my fence and do my very first cut here, cut number 1. I'm then going to rotate it, do cut number 2. I'm going to rotate it again, do cut number 3. And finally, rotating it again, I'm going to do cut number 4. And it's this piece that we measure to see how well the thing performs. Now in the background, you'll see a clock. And I'm going to do this in one take. So if I make any sort of whoopsie, you'll just have to accept the fact that I've made a whoopsie and we'll see what happens. Anyway, in one take. I might speed things up and therefore the clock will go faster, but it is going to be one take. Ear defenders, of course. First whoopsie, turn the extractor on. I've done it. Okay, this piece of wood is 508 millimeters long. 508 millimeters long. And I'm now going to measure top and bottom. It depends how hard I squeeze. 2115. And 2123. Those figures. Now the angular error is the difference between those two, which is 0.08, divided by the length, which is 508. And that's then divided by 4 as well, so it's divided by 4. So there's the calculation. 0.08 divide by 508 and divide by 4. So here we go. It is 0.08 divide by 508 divide by 4 I'll put the figures up just here because I had two separate goes and my calculations were different both times. I read out on my piece of paper so you can see it. It's 0.403937 radians, which is 0.00225 degrees. That's not bad really, is it, eh? Now this has been cut all round using this tracksaw cutting station. Now I'm just going to measure the two diagonals as it's quite a large piece of wood. So here's that first one, and I reckon that is 987. And I'm going to rotate this now, like so, and set up the next one. And I think that says 987 as well. I think that's pretty good. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.